What is going on, guys? It's Noah here with Custom RC Mods. Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, I've got the Maiden FPV flight with the Armattan Chameleon. Let's do it. Alright, so we're armed and up and away here, and as you can see, I went ahead and provided the DVR footage down right there in the bottom right, and for some reason, the DVR didn't exactly line up with my GoPro timing-wise. I think the DVR is a little ahead right now, yeah it is, and then it will kind of level out and fall behind. For some reason, I think it's just the low quality of the DVR in general. I'm glad to have it, but it doesn't exactly line up. So yeah, it was pretty good altogether. I'm really happy with it. Got my OSD laid out how I want it. And overall, this Race Day Quad's Mach 3, which is the new video transmitter I got in to replace the broken one that this quad came with, it's just performing really well. And I also went ahead and switched out my camera from that Foxeer over to a Runcam Mini Swift that was off of my one Meteor build. I went ahead and just switched the cameras. There wasn't really anything wrong with it. The color profile was all messed up, and I just really didn't want to mess around with it too much. So yeah, I'll do that another day. But this Mini Swift is just a really nice camera, even at its compact form factor. Anyway, this thing is flying great. As you can see here, it's a relatively wide open flying environment. This is kind of the other side of the park, so we've got the field. On the other side of the field is kind of where all the baseball diamonds that I normally fly at and the original FPV flying spots are. But this place is nice and wide open. We've got some good trees to do some split S's and some power loops, things like that through. And obviously it's all deserted here on a Thursday morning, so very nice flying area. And the split S, in my opinion, is one of the best tricks to go ahead and learn your quad, because it not only kind of shows you what the pitch and roll characteristics are like, because you have to obviously do them in a timely fashion to achieve the desired trick, but it also shows how the quad flies through space, whether that be right side up or upside down, just like that. You can see I'm getting pretty good with it. My rates are spot on, and kids are really locked in. I went ahead and adjusted my D gains. I added them up, and then I subtracted some of my P gain, kind of like I said in the original hover test, and that fixed it. It's a nice smooth flying quad at the moment right here. I may go ahead and add a little bit more D gain just to kind of dampen things out a little bit more. As you can see, the GoPro footage is pretty smooth altogether, but other than that, I'm really happy with it. So yeah, that was a pretty short flight. I don't think this battery was charged all the way, but that's pretty much all I have to say for this flight, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.